Hello, students. Have you ever thought about how you can sit upright without toppling over or stand steadily without losing balance? And this remarkable ability is thanks to a fundamental principle of physics known as center of gravity. Let's look at that using a simple but beautiful experiment today. First, let me tell you what you will need for this experiment. You will just need 4 things: a heavy, tall drinking glass, a fork and a spoon, toothpicks, and a box of matchstick. Okay, now let's get started. We start by wedging the tines of the fork and spoon together. This interlocking step is crucial for stability and ensures the mass is distributed symmetrically. Now, balance the forks on your finger by inserting the toothpick between them. The midpoint you find here represents the system's center of gravity, the point where the weight of the entire setup is perfectly balanced. Rest the toothpick on the rim of the glass. The rim acts as the pivot point where the fork's weight creates equal and opposite torque on either side. Now for the exciting part. Make sure someone adult is near you. Start by using a match to burn the end of the toothpick hanging inside the glass. Now watch closely as the flame stops near the rim. But whoa, the fork remains perfectly balanced. Isn't that wonderful? Now let's think about why this is happening. The secret really lies in the 3 major ideas from physics. The first one is of center of gravity. What is that? Well, it's the point where the entire weight of the object appears to act. For our interlocked forks, the center of gravity lies in the mid-air, outside the material of the forks themselves. The second concept in physics that's relevant for this experiment is stable equilibrium. When the center of gravity is below the pivot point, any slight displacement produces a restoring torque, returning the system to balance. Finally, what is torque and what is balance? Well, torque is the rotational equivalence of force. It depends on the weight and the distance from the pivot. The clockwise and counterclockwise torques here cancel each other out. And finally, burning the toothpick does not affect the system's stability because the pivot point and the center of gravity remains unchanged. And there you have it, a mesmerizing demonstration of balance, stability, and the wonders of physics in action. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let the magic of science inspire you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.